Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. It's Mo and Munchkin, Jamaicans living in Mexico, and we are back for a special occasion. Hey guys, how are you? It is January 26th, and that means it is Munchkin's birthday! Munchkin's birthday! Woo, we are walking to go get lunch at where we are going, Mitica Burgers, because that's what she said she wants, and that's close by.
Oh my god.
What?
See that? I think it was a raccoon or a cat.
No, I don't want to see that. One more wants to see that.
They climbing the wall.
So anyway, I don't know why we're in a black frock in the sun at 12 o'clock midday, but we are on our first stop of the birthday celebrations. Little Miss Thing went to a party last night. Message me talking about, can we stay later? I'm like, child, oh, I'm not reach that yet. Fisher asked for more time already. Lord of his mercy. Anyways, let's go. We are back. I have a video here about La Libertad. And we've definitely been to Mitica before. I think I have a short here about it. That's what she wanted. That's what she did. You want breakfast? We are going with breakfast options, even though it is lunchtime, because who doesn't love pancakes and postres and honey chicken waffle? Yeah. These chicken and waffles are the best chicken and waffles I have had in Merida so far. Like all the cute little brunch places when I go so far, not have nothing on the burger joint chicken and waffles. You hear me? The food here was so good. Big up Mitica for the breakfast all day menu because I loved it. Anyways, it was time for us to go to dinner. And like all the teenagers that are obsessed with anime and everything Asian right now, she chose a Korean restaurant, and so that's what we did. This one is called Nyam Nyam, and it will be featured twice in this video because it was so good. We had to go back the very next day. So this is their setup. They have all the Korean snacks, all the Asian snacks, whole heap of different flavors of ramen. Here she's trying to decide which one she wants to get. Lots of different juices and biscuits and all kind of things for you to try. They even had the different flavors of Oreos and Kit Kats that are normally featured like only over in Asia. So I loved that for us. We had a good old time here. I will say that the menu itself does seem just a little limited, so unless you want to try each and every single flavor of ramen, the actual menu only have a few items on it. But that's okay, because you see these dumplings have me in a chokehold. They have 3 different flavors of dumplings and every single one of them slapped. I tried all 3 and they were really, really good. Here is her ramen. She was loving it. I love the texture of it. I'm definitely going back to Nyam Nyam. So Munchkin had a very good birthday celebration, but we weren't done yet. So because we went to Nyam Nyam when the kitchen was almost closing and I only had one type of dumpling on the actual birthday, we walked further down the road, we saw this little taqueria that was open, and we decided to get more food because more food are what we did really need, right? The vibes at the place was nice, that a violinist going in the background.
Let me not look directly at the flash, bro. Okay, give me that, and then you're taking a little more time to get the flash. Stop. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna go on my phone.
Usually delete it.
And my fried shrimp tacos were really, 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 really good. Like all the fries them did good. No man, the food did just good on the birthday. It's not a birthday without cake. So I ordered her a cake the next day, and then what did we do? We went right back to Nyam Nyam for dinner on day number 2 of the birthday, I guess. So this is us at the other location. They have one in Alta Brisa. So this is where I tried the other two flavors of dumplings, and now I don't have a favorite. I just need all three dumplings every single time I go because they were really good. So after that dinner celebration, I went out to a spades game with some folks, and of course the party got going. The hostess, it was her birthday as well, so it was just lots of birthday celebrations all around, and it was a good time had by all. To wrap up a week of festivities, or a weekend of festivities, but boy, it felt like a week. We went to SanBravo, which is an upscale seafood and steakhouse here in Merida. I've always wanted to go, so I went with one of my good girlfriends here to check it out. I was looking forward to some good food. I sat down, look at me get cute and me look pretty, and I say yes, man. They always get you started with an array of sauces and 2 little chips to try all of the sauce them, but okay. I was going to order steak, but I decided to order this brisket and risotto thing that I saw on the menu. It looked good, but when my plate come, I must see the ½ ounce of brisket cut up in the corner. I was so disappointed. I'm not telling a lie. And my friend ordered the salmon, and salmon is salmon. It's hard to spoil, but I had a really, the plate never did a plate. I was really thinking maybe I should send this back, but I'm just not a send back girl person. So the only thing that made it better is the damn cocktails were 2 for 1, which again, I played myself because I ordered an old fashioned, and me never know say old fashioned a 1 ounce a drink. Hello, look how the glass are full. What the hell is in an old fashioned? If I knew the old fashions were half a glass, I would not have ordered one. Anyways, that's a wrap on our weekend of pigging out and celebrating baby girl's 14th birthday. I had a blast, even though SanBravo was very disappointing. I don't know if I'll go back. There are just too many steakhouses here in Merida that I still want to try. So I hope you enjoyed the video. This is Monique, a Jamaican living in Mexico. I will see you in the next one. Make sure you like, subscribe, and leave your comments down below.